Okay, let's compare some notes here. So I'm going to go to my 2-column note taker. My video notes. My key detail was kids need 10 to 12 hours of sleep because their bodies and brains are devoting. Oof. I did not reread it. Oh, look at that. Learn lesson for me. Make sure you are rereading things. Always reread. Kids need 10 to 12 hours of sleep because their bodies and brains are developing and growing so much. I thought that was just such a good one to have. Okay, so make sure you have at least one more key detail. You can use mine if you need to, but you have at least one more from the video. More is always great. You can pause to rewatch the video, use my note. Okay, now we're going to be going to our article here. And remember, there's just 3 parts this time, and you can also use the video ideas that you got from watching that video. So sometimes maybe you might actually want to go rewatch that video again to help with these. But our 3 questions again are, why do we need sleep? What happens when we don't sleep? How much sleep should you get? I'm going to go back into Schoology here. Okay, so we did step 4, open this movie, watch and take notes. Now we're going to do step 5. Read along with me and take notes. Why do I need to sleep article? Okay. So it says, why do I need to sleep? Every creature needs to rest. Giraffes, little babies, elephants, dogs, cats, kids, koala bears, grandparents, moms, dads, and hippos in the jungle, they all sleep. Just like eating, sleep is necessary for survival. Sleep gives your body a rest and it allows it to prepare for the next day. It's like giving your body a mini vacation. Oh, I love that. What a great analogy or a comparison. Sleep also gives your brain a chance to sort things out. Scientists aren't exactly sure what kinds of organizing your brain does while you sleep, but they think that sleep might be the time when the brain sorts and stores information, replaces chemicals, and solves problems. The amount of sleep a person needs depends a lot on his or her age. Babies sleep a lot, about 14 to 15 hours a day, but many older people need only about 7 or 8 hours of sleep each night. Then most kids between the ages of 5 and 12 are somewhere between, needing 10 to 11 hours of sleep. Some kids might need more and some need less. It depends on the kid. So even like right there, that's even a little bit different than I got from the video. You know, the video was saying 10 to 12. The article is saying 10 to 11. I'm just going to keep 10 to 12. But down there, how much sleep should you get? Well, I already wrote a thing about kids, so I'm just going to write adults need 7 to 8 hours. Maybe more or less, depending on the person. Okay. I'm going to go back to the article again. I'm going to look at the questions again too, just to make sure I have those questions. Why do we need sleep? What happens when we don't sleep? Why do we need sleep? And they talked a lot about that. Basically it's letting your body rest. It's like a mini vacation. Oh, you know what? It lets our brain sort and store information, like right there. I like that part. It kind of lets our brain reorganize. So I'm going to write that for my why do we need sleep key detail. It helps our brain organize information. Okay, I thought that was kind of cool. And then what happens when we don't sleep? The video had some stuff, but I know the bottom part of this article has some more, so I'm going to read that. Did you know? Skipping one night's sleep, so I'm right down here at this, did you know? Skipping one night's sleep makes a person cranky and clumsy. After missing 2 nights of sleep, a person will have problems thinking and doing things. His or her brain and body can't do their normal tasks nearly as well. After 5 nights without sleep, a person will hallucinate. This means seeing things that aren't actually there. Eventually, it becomes impossible for the brain to give its directions to the rest of the body without sleep. The brain needs to spend time in bed and catch its Z's. And Z's meaning just sleep. So I'm just going to put what happens when we don't sleep. For this, I'm going to put missing one night can make you feel bad. It said cranky and clumsy. Yeah, make you feel bad. I'm going to say in your brain, and body. Okay, so that's all. I'm not going to write any more notes, but I have at least one for each section. You need at least two, but you can use mine for help. Go back and rewatch this video again. Watch the one video, the YouTube video. Just listen to me read the article again. You can reread the article. Just at least two. Have fun reading and learning, and make sure to submit to Schoology when you're done. Bye.